Hello friends, today we are going to look at how to install the crash guard on a Suzuki Gixxer 250. First step, remove the screws in the bike behind the footrest. This is crash guard developed by HT Exhaust Company. This is slider developed by HT Exhaust Company. Attach this slider to the top of the crash guard. Place the crash guard in the correct place on the right side of the bike. Tighten the crash guard well using the provided bush and screws. Install the left side crash guard in the same way as you installed the right side crash guard. Let's use two-side crash door jointer and make it tight. The slider in the center of the crash guard on both sides. That's it. We successfully installed the crash guard on our Suzuki Gixxer 250 with the help of our HT Exhaust Company.